Let's get ready to rumble!
If the maximum volume in your earphones is too low, this tutorial is for you. Let's open up the settings and head over to Sounds and Haptics. Next, scroll down and select Headphone Safety. This is the section that we're most interested in. You can either set a higher volume limit or disable Reduce Loud Audio altogether. Make sure to also disable headphone notifications. Next, go back to the main settings menu. From here, scroll down to select Privacy and Security. Then select Health. Here, headphone audio levels. And finally, disable measure levels.